Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Neve 1073 preamp on vocals. First, connect your microphone to the Neve 1073's microphone input. If you are using a condenser microphone, remember to engage the 48-volt phantom power. Next, select the appropriate input impedance, typically 300 or 1200 ohms, depending on your microphone. Finally, connect the Neve 1073's output to your audio interface or converter. Now, let's talk about gain staging. Carefully adjust the input gain knob to achieve a strong signal without any clipping. A good starting point is to aim for peak levels between -6 and -10 decibels in your digital audio workstation. The Neve 1073 has a rich sound, but overdriving the input too much can lead to unwanted distortion. Use the output trim to make final level adjustments before hitting your converter. The Neve 1073's EQ is legendary for vocals. Start by engaging the high-frequency shelf at 12 kHz to add a beautiful sense of air and clarity. For warmth and body, try a subtle boost around 220 Hz. If your vocal sounds muddy, a small cut around 360 Hz can often help. Experiment with the mid-range bell filter to find the perfect spot for vocal presence, typically between 1600 and 7200 Hz. Finally, it's crucial to monitor your vocal signal through high-quality headphones or studio monitors. Listen carefully for any harshness, sibilance, or unwanted resonances that might be present. Make small, incremental adjustments to your gain and EQ settings as needed, always trusting your ears. Don't be afraid to record several takes, experimenting with slight variations in settings to capture the absolute best vocal performance and tone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.